How we doing, guys? Let's go over Chainlink today. Let me get my windows correct here. Guys, Link is not my biggest holding, but it has a decent amount here. We see Chainlink over here sitting at, what is this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, the 5th position. We hold quite a few coins over here. So it's not my biggest holding, but I want to talk to you guys about this because I see some things that, guys, again, it's just this market is so overstimulated right now, and we're pushing into, you guys can just see this over here. Look at this. The emotional index is sitting in the greedy over here, and I believe short trades are just continually getting trapped time and time again, and this actually is possibly a bullish sign for us to keep moving back up. So really excited about that. Guys, we are currently sitting at 112 wins and 0 losses. This says 111. Sorry, let me go to 112. It was actually on Avalanche down here. So 112 wins, 0 losses. Our next win is most likely actually going to be Avalanche again. So make sure you guys are subscribed. Watch out for that very closely because we're just going to keep winning trades over here, especially when this market goes up here. It's just going to be trade after trade after trade. Just watch this. It's going to happen fast. All right. You guys clicked on the thumbnail. Let's do some analysis. Let's go deep into Chainlink. RSI, stochastic, MACD, and the moving averages, all the major ones, they're bullish this morning. Okay, retail traders are waking up this morning. They're like, man, all my indicators this morning are looking very bullish. Wonder what I should do. Probably keep moving back up. Okay, well, although they're probably going to do that, I am looking for a little bit of a drop back down here. And here's why. Come down here to look at these two indicators. We use these. These two indicators are what have helped us go 112 wins in a row. When trend exhaustion is in the top red section and well money flow is high, let me show you this over here first. This is when we're looking for drops back down. Great, we got that. Here's something really interesting that is happening lately. Well money flow moving out of the market because I believe they're actually seeing this momentum over here shift. Retail traders are getting very greedy and they're getting very excited. You can see over here, the last times we got greedy and excited like this, we saw massive, massive drops back down in the market. Okay, I'm just going to circle these areas so everybody can see this. When we're up here, we are seeing moves back down. So this isn't a video where I want to get everyone excited to say, oh, we're just going to keep going to the moon. That never happens. This is more of a caution video to say, hey, let's be okay if Link and other altcoins move down here a little bit because I think that's going to be healthy for a continuation move back up. What I do like to see here is well money flow happens to be very low here, trend exhaustion high. So what's going to sync up here is most likely trend exhaustion and well money flow. We'll see some type of move like this. They will both sync up at the bottom here. And then we'll see a move back up. Okay, that's what I'm expecting on the charts here. We see many times when trend exhaustion's high, well money flows high, guys, you are able to predict the moves back down. All of my scalpers out there who end up coming out over here and you guys were able to get into a position over here. I know it doesn't show, it's not an anxious and fearful section, but those of you guys doing the more risky strategy, I showed 3 different strategies in the masterclass. Those of you guys who did end up coming over here, you're looking for that 3 to 4% profit to scalp the market. And I believe you guys did get your 3 to 4%. I'll just show this to you guys really quickly. It was right over here. It wasn't at the bottom there. But yeah, you guys, we're up about exactly about 6.31. So great job. You guys all won that scalping trade. So good job, guys. Let's take a second here and let's put this on pause. And I want to move us over to the metrics here. Here's how you guys access the metrics and everything we've got going on. Make this real fast. It's just $95 a month, guys. That's it. People are literally had a guy make $40,000 in the last 2 months. Okay, 112 wins, 0 losses. We have the highest win rate on all of YouTube. All the metrics you guys will get. This isn't just a signal providing service, guys. Yeah, I provide signals. I'll tell you guys exactly when I'm getting into trades, exactly when I'm exiting. I have $150,000 on the line, so I'm very precise about when I enter and exit. I have a goal of creating this and turning this into $200,000 before the end of the year, taking out $100,000 and using that $100,000 to go buy a house. That is my goal. The last inner circle we came out and we talked about, I mentioned we need to set goals for ourselves. That is my goal, and I'm going to get there, okay? The market's going to have a lot to do with that, but I'm going to use risk management and help us get there because it's my goal, and if you want to join me on that, you guys can come over here and subscribe. Telegram channel will give you guys access to all the entries and the exits as well as all the master classes, and we're going to go live next month on Zoom as a family together, talk about the markets, do an open Q&A session. Let's go back over to crypto charts. Let's scroll down here. Let's go back to Link, and let's come over here and go to Chainlink over here, and we'll look at the metrics here today. These are updated, so this is fresh data we're working with right now. So click Link, and let's move down. Emotional index, we know this. We're very greedy. We're looking for that drop. Now let's take a look at this. Long and short trades on Bitfinex. What do you guys see over here? Long trades stayed the same. Short trades decreased. Is this a bullish or bearish sign? It's rhetorical, I know. but this is bullish. Short trades moving out of the market means this. Imagine you're a short trader and all your shtick or whatever you call that out there is like, I'm gonna short crypto. Okay, if that's your thing, then great. You ended up shorting crypto back over here and you end up getting your little bit of profit on this move down. If short trades are moving out, it means, hey, as a short trader, I'm not confident that I'm going to experience gains on my shorts. So they take their money out of shorts and they're just basically saying, nope, I don't think it's going to go down too much further. This is a bullish sign. That's just for shorts. Now come over to this perspective behind the charts and look at this. What are long traders thinking? They're not selling their long trades. They're holding them. So this is a bullish sign. I want to show you guys how to read this and understand how to interpret this correctly. Market cap strength is moving up here. This is very good, guys. Market cap is not only moving up on Chainlink, though. Please understand how to read this metric. It is so powerful. Whenever the green line moves up on any altcoin, it means money is coming out of other altcoins. Okay, let me say that again. This is not the market cap of Chainlink. Okay, want to look at the market cap? Go to the cryptocurrency and look at the market cap over here. That's what you guys can look at. Okay, this is showing you guys something far more powerful than the market cap. This shows you the market cap of Link to the entire market, relative to the entire market. So this literally means whenever this green line goes up here, it means money is literally flowing out of other altcoins and it is moving into Chainlink. Look at this. Where have we been moving up here in the last few days? Link. I know for a fact we've been moving up on ADA because I just did a video on that this morning. And EOS, guys, it has been my number one pick forever. It's why I hold the most of my money in EOS. Watch the EOS video, guys. EOS has exploded. But my point is EOS, ADA, as well as Chainlink, all of their market cap strengths have increased while Bitcoin has decreased. Money is flowing out of Bitcoin right now because it is shifting into altcoins. From March 13th to current date, you would have made about 13% on Bitcoin. On EOS, you would have done 24%. It's crazy, guys. It is insane how much you would have done on EOS. Like, I know this is not an EOS video, but those of you guys who don't have your money over here, like EOS has been absolutely one ridiculous coin to trade, and it has blown up over here. Actually, it might have been more. So we're actually sitting up here, about 34% is what we're looking at, and Bitcoin did 14. So it's actually 20% higher, and ADA is about 10% higher. More profits. This is why I think, and let's bring this back to Link now, I think these altcoins are going to start seeing their altcoin season, and it's already started because market cap is already dropping on Bitcoin, and it's moving into altcoins, guys. So all of us who have been like using our buy limits to get into these altcoins, guys, we're starting to make some money. Just last Friday, we're at 118,000. So we've gone up about almost $20,000. Almost $20,000 we've gone up in a matter of about 8 days here. So this is pretty awesome. Excuse me. No, actually, literally 8 days. Yeah, 8 days. So it's been pretty amazing. So guys, like I said, we're going to be going up by the tens of the thousands of dollars here as the market goes up. And this is all we've done. Do you guys understand? This is so exciting. This is all that's happened. Bloop, just that little thing right there. We haven't hit this high. We haven't hit this high. Literally, some of you guys who are following this channel, you will make hundreds of thousands. My millionaire traders that I've coached before, you guys are just like, you're probably loving it right now. Good job, guys. Go buy a house for yourself too if you want. Okay, trades in favor. Looking at this being in short trade territory, we saw this and we did see it move back down. Great, the metrics were holding true there. And we're starting to push down into neutral and then back up here a little bit. As it starts moving up, guys, people are going to look to short this. But here's the thing. Look at this. Let me bring us down here. Speaking of shorts, well, institutional smart money. These guys are coming out over here and looking to take short trades. But look at this. They're very undecided. Last time they came out and took short trades, great. They made a ton of money. They took short trades out over here, made a ton of money. Took short trades out over here, made a ton of money. If they didn't make it on that, they clearly made it over here. Took short trades out over here and made a ridiculous amount of money. Like printing money on this short. Here's the thing, however, that not all the time the markets go in the way of Wells institutions. Now, they will majority of the time, so don't get that wrong. Like, this is why we have the metric and I watch this. But what's happening lately is you guys are seeing consistent short squeezes time and time and time again on the markets. That is why we're getting a rally right now. I really do believe that. It's because people are looking at this descending resistance line and they're like, oh, we should short here. Nope, trap all the short traders to move back up. You guys want to see the next line that you need to be watching? Here as it is. Make sure you write this on your iPads, write this down on a piece of paper. Here is the next resistance you need to watch. It is right up here and it's about $17. I would say probably close to $16.50. Let's write it down on the iPad. $16.50. Cool. This is Link. So 1650 is the next area where I'm looking for a move back up here and then for the drop back down. It's very strong based off resistance for a third touch. 1, 2, 3 is the strongest momentum for a move back down. It is the third touch. You cannot create a line unless you have 2 points. So the third touch is the most, listen, predictable place for a move back down, because you have to have 2 lines, and the third touch is the predictable move back down. So yes, I think Link by the end of this week could absolutely hit 1650. Okay, that's not like unrealistic whatsoever. I think you guys agree with me. But once that happens, watch for this market to come down probably, a decent amount, because these short trades have been taken out over here on the overall smart money, okay? So watch this, okay? I know over here, let me back up. I know short trades are moving out. This is just for Bitfinex, though. Smart money is going to be tracking what the market is doing as a whole, and there's hundreds of exchanges, okay? So as these guys are looking to short, it makes sense. They're trying to short out the excitement of retail traders, and look, we're getting very close to the area where they could be making a lot of money soon. They're patient. By the way, guys, they're patient. They weren't making money all the way up here, and they made a ridiculous amount coming down here. Just be careful. Watch that. Support and resistance prices here. The next resistance, I'm going to call it up here. I think it's right at 1650. Not only is it a decent resistance, it's very close to this structure right here, and that's where I'm looking for that move back down. It's close to 1650, $17. Okay, dollar cost average entries. Those of you guys who came over here and got into this one, congratulations. You guys are doing fantastic in this market right now. You guys got in right about, let me see if I can find this. This is right around this area. This is a daily, and this is a 4 hour. You guys got in right about over here. You weren't at the bottom. You're like halfway up here. So you guys are currently sitting up at the moment about, let me come over here and get this. You guys are sitting up at the moment probably about 25%. So great job, guys. Good job. Exit points, coming out here looking at this, it said, hey, right around this area, we need to look for a drop. Did we get it? Yes, we did. Come in here and look at the chart. Did we get a drop over there? We got it. That's why I watched this metric here. When it's calling that, we ended up getting this drop. Now that we start heading up again, I'm gonna hound you guys on this. It's 1650. Watch 1650. It's a very powerful spot for you guys to be watching. Let me show you guys now how to get into a trade setup for Chainlink if you have some extra money. This is exactly how we've traded. We have never lost a crypto trade. And this is even a better time to be entering in. You guys know the best time to enter into any coin is when it's low? Sorry, I just realized how sarcastic that sounded. But seriously, there's people who get into these markets when it's back here, and they're like, I'm dumping all my money in because I'm FOMOing in because I think it's going to go to the moon. No, guys. Here's another way of saying what I was trying to just say, but it sounded really cocky and kind of arrogant. But here's the point. When you guys see the market really high, your portfolios should majority be in cash, okay? When the market's low, majority of your portfolio should be in coins, okay? I know that sounds like a dud, but it is not a dud to a lot of people. A lot of people see the market going up, getting stimulated because all their friends are talking about the market going up, and they dump all their money in. How much cash do they have left? None, because they thought it was going to go to the moon. Guys, that's backwards. Don't ever do that again. I'm going to save you guys hundreds of thousands and some of you guys millions of dollars. When the market is pumping, you must use risk management like this, okay? We were waiting even for the dip back over here, but there are people who got into this market that they will not be experiencing their profits until we get back up over here, okay? And they're holding, and they're down at the moment at this. I just want to make a point here, just real quick, guys, if I may. They're down about 54, 55%, okay? We're down 27%. So we've saved ourselves close to 30%, close to 30% profit that we do not have to make back up. So what's the difference from here to here? Absolutely tens of thousands of dollars for us, while everyone's still waiting to get back to break even. This is where this strategy absolutely saves your guys' accounts, and it will make some of you guys millionaires, that I know for sure. Those of you guys who followed this strategy, it saved you hundreds of thousands, and some of you will become literal millionaires that I've coached in the past because of this, because you guys got into these lower positions. I won't mention his last name or mention him, but Dave, I'll just mention that. Dave, if you did end up putting the 10 million into EOS, you're doing pretty good, man. So congratulations. You may be part of the guys that are pumping EOS for all of us, so I appreciate it. Okay, today's trade setup. Okay, I'm showing this to you guys on Bitcoin, but let me keep this in view for Link. Choose the amount that you guys want to trade with. Literally, you guys can do this right now. You're going to see 4 yellow lines on the Link chart. It's going to look like that. It's going to be a sell limit. Okay. Choose the amount you want to enter with. Let's say it's $1,000. Split it into 4 equal portions. 250. 250 divided by, 1,000 divided by 4 is 250. Place 250 at each of the 4 yellow lines, which is going to have the prices over here on the charts on the website. And then once the first buy limit is hit, set a sell limit up in green for 100% exit in case we skyrocket overnight. Now, once you guys do that, follow me in Telegram. That's all you guys have to do. Copy everything that I do if you want. Please consult a financial advisor before entering into this trade. Yes, I must say that, and you must do that, okay? But I'm going to just literally give you guys every single position I'm entering into. And if you choose with your will to copy me, so be it. We've never lost a trade, and we have the healthiest account I can find on all of YouTube. And some guy in the last inner circle, they were talking like, Travis, you should talk about, how much money you're going to be making or how much money you've made. I love that comment. I think his name was Eric. And Eric, you make a good point. Watch the account. We've gone up $20,000 in the last 8 days. 20,000. Wait for this market to turn around, guys. You guys will see our account. If this hits structure high up here, we will absolutely be at $200,000 in our account. We'll make about $50,000 this year. Easily to live off of, okay? Make sure you guys are following us. I will keep you guys safe in this market. Here's the thing. I'm going to keep myself safe, and in doing so, if you guys copy me, you guys will experience that as well. Okay, Telegram channel, click this and enter in to that Telegram channel. Last but not least, guys, the indicators. Make sure you are getting the indicator bundle pack today. This is 84% off. It's the trend exhaustion. It's the trend dashboard, the trend exhaustion, and price response money flow. But you guys are also getting 6 other indicators. This is jokingly called the jackpot indicator because it is ridiculous. Watch the video on that. You guys get that with the bundle pack. 2 Forex indicators that have never been coded before. I think you guys will love these. So make sure you guys snag this. Use coupon code MARCH. It is the lowest we have ever had our indicators. This is the lowest we have ever had them. And guys, we will not be going lower than this price. We can't afford it. I mean, we can't, but I'm not going to go lower, okay? Because this is ridiculous. This is actually cheaper than our Black Friday sale that we ran last year, okay? So make sure you take advantage of this because I am upping the price $331. You have 9 days left, and I will be upping the price. I'll send out a 48-hour and a 24-hour email to all you guys who are members so you don't miss this. But just do this today. Enter coupon code MARCH. Snag the bundle pack so you guys can have this. We're using these indicators to predict market moves down, as I've showed you already, as well as I'm using them in the Telegram channel to call exits over here. So watch this as we use them in the market to call exits, and you guys can also scalp with these, which we have traders doing very well with those. All right, guys, God bless you so much. Have an amazing day. The indicators are in the description. The membership is available for you guys to access. There you go. We've never lost a trade. We're going to try to target 120 wins for 120 in the month of March. There's the Telegram channel access, guys, right there. Let's see what we can do. This is super exciting. I'm excited for this market. I think the altcoin season is here. And if you don't have money in the market, I would use the buy limit strategy we have to get some money in. It's up to you, but I would do that and maybe look for this drop right around 1650 and then a move back down. But this market is getting hot and we are going to start winning more trades. God bless you guys. Click the links in the description and the first comment of this YouTube video, and I will see you guys later. All right, bye guys.